Oh,
Right meow.
losing. You're off the poutine. Looking good.
No, I'm not.
No?
I think I've never been heavier. I gotta check my weight. I think I might be at the top. I might be at the top of my weight range. I may need to shred now.
You bulked.
I've bulked.
Your bulking season and now cutting season.
It's time to shred.
No, you gotta lean into the heavyweight, like, corporate conglomerate.
That would go, like, look at this.
Bury me with my money, you know, that guy.
Bury me with my money.
Look at this. I'm dad maxing here.
Yeah.
This is dad maxing. I've got like the vest. I'm doing the plaids.
Yeah.
The khakis.
Yeah.
Sort of like this thing.
Something.
I need to get a dad watch.
Yeah, a visual one.
Yes.
That's
I need to go talk to
And
Ed.
you need some New Balances.
I know.
And some
Yeah.
high socks.
I'm trying to go a little bit more like business
Business dad.
dad. I want to be business dad.
Yeah.
I'm getting there.
Yeah. You're already ignoring your kids, so. Did you see this?
What?
The desk. Oh, it looks so good.
Oh yeah, this set was like made for this desk.
This is our custom shop portfolio.
Wait, hold on. Close this.
Isn't that nice? Look it, ready? Ooh. That looks really good.
So is this a?
Ooh.
But yeah, now we have our prophecy.
Oh my God, this is so much better. These are great
then, yeah.
photos.
And then we have, oh, look at that. Now that we have at least a couple of custom projects under our belt, we can just keep adding to this.
Dimitri's gonna be busy.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna get very busy.
Is this that desk? Let me see.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, bro. This is so awesome. This has got to be maybe the most satisfying work I've done here.
Yeah.
To see it from like an idea, somebody just like thought of something, to kind of making it into like a drawing, to a render, to seeing people working on it, to seeing it actually on the site. Like, that's awesome.
Dimitri has been doing a great job. So if you contact our custom shop, you'll get to work with Dimitri tangentially, but he'll be there.
Mm-hmm.
My people will talk to your people.
We do need to, we're gonna get the, we are gonna be sending the hex table Ian did.
Oh, over to the studio?
Yeah, that needs to get this treatment as well.
Yeah.
So that's ready to go down, and I think they've got some more pieces.
This is all a brand new studio, and it's only going to get better too. So, yeah, this is awesome.
We are offering a Christmas deal on the custom shop.
I've heard.
Oh, really?
Did you know that?
I've heard of this.
This is me talking.
Uh,
Christmas.
mm-hmm.
It's the time for you to think about your home, your hearth. Okay, it's time for you to plan ahead into the new year, into a new signature piece, a new custom piece.
Yes.
Taking your living situation to the next level. What's the deal we're running for Christmas? Do you have any idea?
$1,000 off any custom shop furniture order.
If you're coming to the custom shop, it's a little bit expensive. Let's set some price expectations. If you're coming in with a desk, you're probably starting at least at $5. If you're coming in for an MGT, say a dining table, standard dining table, you're looking probably at $7,500 to $10. And if you're coming in on custom prophecies, that's when you're getting into like 15 to 20. Damn! Ballers only.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
So I'll take $1,000.
$1,000 off helps.
I take it. If you're going to be doing something that's actually, I don't know, really cool and we want to capture it, like this guy right here, we haven't aired it yet. We actually haven't talked about this yet. We have a new channel coming. This desk got an entire build video dedicated to it.
Yeah.
So this guy not only has his desk, but he also has an entire YouTube video of the creation of his desk. That's pretty sweet, and that's free.
Mm-hmm.
If you're going through the custom shop and you're getting a nice piece, Dimitri, can you bring up, say, some of the renders you did on, say, this desk?
I have the pictures. I can...
Oh, do you have pictures? Okay. I guess they're getting popped up, Dimitri. You don't need to worry about it. Who did it better? That's not what I want to talk to you about. I want, so, our website, so, come look at this. This is a pie chart. Do you know how those work? Just so you can see what we're talking about, Matt. See, that's just a pie chart?
Yeah.
The red is out of stock. Yellow is low stock, green is in stock.
This is everything?
This is everything that is stock tracked on the website. Okay, so yeah, we sold out all the red. Fair enough. Now we got the green stuff.
Yeah.
But is there anything in green that is overbuilt?
Yeah.
We have excess stock. We have 500 Elm large cup holders in stock. Do you remember Elmageddon?
I do.
When we basically said, oh, we can't get Elm, and we switched all the Elm people to black walnut, and we switched all their accessories to black walnut, but we had built all the cup holders. So we have like a pallet of Elm large cup holders and Elm mug holders.
Yeah.
I want to run a liquidation sale on that, right? Because right now, I think large cup holders are like $60 a pop, 50,
yeah,
$60 a pop.
Yeah, somewhere around
I
there.
think we could do them for like 20, 25 bucks a pop.
Whoa.
Nice.
That's kind of insanely cheap.
Well, I want to move them. Like, they're not doing us any help. We don't need 500. I need some stock, but I don't need 500. So if people are thirsty for Elm,
Or just,
thirsty
Yeah.
for
Beverages.
beverages,
Yeah. Beverages. Great.
So, and then, yeah, when's the shipping deadline? I think it's the 18th. I just talked to Nick.
Saint Nick.
That's funny. He looks a little Santa-ish.
Yeah. Good old Saint Nicholas.
St. Nicholas.
Saint.
Yeah, according to Nick, I believe the shipping cutoff is the 18th, so I'd like this episode to go maybe like the 16th. Yeah.
Can do.
Thirsty blowout.
Thirsty blowout sale.
Yeah. And then whatever else is left on the website. It's getting a little thin.
Were there things where it's just like, why the hell didn't we build more of this?
Oh,
because
sure,
we
yeah.
were sold
So-
out in 2 seconds.
That is mainly because we were making sure we got tables. So we still have tables in stock.
Which are still in stock.
Yeah, the tables.
And would show up in time for Christmas.
That's true.
Just throwing it out there.
That's crazy.
Cut to the warehouse.
Yeah. Go over there. Oh, that's a Maersk truck. Interesting.
Maersk.
Maersk. That's KK's.
Wyrmwood Gaming. Look at us.
Oh, look at
Maersk.
they're so
They're-
good about the signage.
Maersk, I believe, is a new international distributor.
It's
that
not
we're-
international. It's
Oh,
domestic. No. Well, it may do international as well, but we're using.
They're a distributor.
Shipping.
Yeah, I'm going inside. It's cold. I'll wait for you to talk about shipping inside.
Oh, is this all us?
Yes.
Wow.
It is.
That's crazy.
So yeah, this is the Wyrmwood distribution center. This is where all of Santa's presents are kept.
Sure.
All the work that is produced in Massachusetts and all the work that is produced in Pennsylvania, it all finds its way to Lebanon, Pennsylvania, central distribution, all in one place. We used to have 2 shipping locations. We now have 1 shipping location. These came from Massachusetts. This might look familiar.
Yeah. Yep.
So those are the Massachusetts setups. Actually, the engravings are now getting done here. For the personalized engravings, which we discontinued for a period of time, is now up and running again. Hey, how's it going?
Whoa.
We're having technical difficulties with the machine right now.
Check Oh,
That's a sample. That's a. That's not.
That's fun. How's this going, KK? It's going good?
It had been up until whatever happened a few minutes ago. I
Yeah,
guess.
I was. That was.
Yeah, well,
rocking
that's
and
been
rolling
burning
for
off
like-
hundreds of them this week already.
Oh, really?
I ran a couple this morning, and then now when I load this up and I get everything all squared away, and I go to do the test run, it says having the door open, it wouldn't start, and now it's just not doing anything.
so we showed up just in time.
Just in time.
so we can see the failures.
But that is really cool. So yeah, we're now doing the custom engravings are back. They were discontinued for a period of time.
And they're half off for the holiday season, just saying.
does this thing work well?
The filter, they told us. But I don't think it was in regular
Little
use.
Smash Mouth reference?
right? These are all medium aprons. So each one of these is a table. Table, 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 table.
What here is inventory and what here is back orders?
I believe most of this is still spoken for, but right now it's probably roughly 50-50.
We're so used to seeing bits and parts and broken up between two different campuses. When you put it all together, it's like, Jesus Christ, like there's a Home Depot worth of Wyrmwood product here.
Yeah.
Ooh, is this Boatman?
Oh, the stained oak one.
Oh, interesting. Maybe we were gonna send up to the studio for photos.
Custom prophecy.
Oh, we do stains. We're doing stains in custom shop.
Do whatever you want.
Do whatever you want,
I
man.
don't fucking care anymore.
Right there. Oak. That looks good. Yep. Ooh. So that is a stained oak. Unusual
We don't
for us.
normally do.
Special custom shop request.
It's pretty close to the white oak that we use. It's a little more red and
I like that.
It looks really nice.
So we're gonna send that to Pawtucket.
Yep, it's a table and a bench.
Gotcha.
Table and a bench. So hopefully next box truck that'll be heading up on.
This is all
Look at all that stuff.
gaming tables. We did this. Like we did it. We actually did this. We have rustic cherry, rustic walnut, and black walnut all in stock, all ready to ship. Still at this point. So you could have a modular game table underneath your tree in time for Christmas. It's gonna have to be a big tree.
Yeah, it's a big tree.
You're gonna need a big tree.
I have a Christmas tree this year for the first time.
Oh shit, we have hex tables ready to go?
Throwing it out there. Just throwing it out there.
he doesn't
We
care.
have hex tables ready to go?
Christmas tree.
Oh shit! They're all in stock.
Spider-Man theme.
You talking about Spider-Man?
Oh.
My tree has a Spider-Man theme.
Does it have like webs on it?
It's got like Spider-Man things and it's all blue and red.
Blue and red.
You know, like Spider-Man is.
Yeah, it's not very Christmassy.
That's
Blue
not-
and red. Yes, it is.
Blue's not Christmas.
It looks great.
I don't agree with this. Matt, what are you doing for your Christmas lights in your tree? Colored,
I don't have-
white,
I don't have a
blinky,
tree.
blue.
No tree.
Oh come on.
Nope.
Commenter, let Matt know in the comments. Everybody wish Matt a Merry Christmas in the comments. Scrooge over here. The Grinch, his heart is one size too small.
Ebenezer Poos.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you're really
I think the more important question is fake tree or real tree?
Ooh.
I live in an apartment, so fake tree.
Yeah, my tree's fake.
Wow,
This
2
year.
for 2.
So I go real. However, I'm not as hardcore as my brother Ian. Ian goes out and cuts his own Christmas tree, not from a farm, but from the woods. You can buy a Christmas tree tag in the state of New Hampshire. You can go, it costs like $5 or $10. You buy it from the state, and that is your license. You can go into any of the public woods in New Hampshire and bag yourself a Christmas tree.
Wow.